gusto ko lang malaman na, sige, ganito. Kasi mahilig ka mag-share about sa past experience mo sa relationship mo.
Keep going, bro.
So, gusto ko malaman if it's true na kaya siguro malapit ka sa ibang boys and yun, we have this point na tayo yung nagkakasundo na ngayon. So, naisipan mo ba talaga, nahagip ba sa utak mo na you can use it para makamove on sa ex mo since ikaw na mismo nag-share na it's been like 6 months or 7 months na nag-break kayo and still hindi nyo pa nag-clear yung lahat about nung ex mo and then I'm not sure pero nasabi mo na yun, hindi pa nga walang closure something. So,
what's the question?
Anong
What's
tanong
the
mo?
question?
ang question
Ang haba
is,
ng
yung
sinabi mo.
ginamit, may time ba na, ayun,
Straight
not
to
the
the
term,
point,
not the
Kim.
term, yung, minamit mo yung ibang tao para makamove on.
Hindi ko ginamit ang ibang tao para makamove on. Kasi sobrang lalo nangyari. Gusto kong maging single muna for a long time before mag-dig in, mag-dive in into something else. Pero I'm not closing my doors. Pero yun nga, parang wag muna ako sa ganyan. Kaya nung mga flowers na yan, parang hindi pa ako natatouch. Kaya kapag may palambing sa akin, hindi ako masyadong naaano dyan. Hindi ako clingy. Pero I'm closer to guys kasi I have a lot of guy friends. At gaya ko. Yun nga, pero hindi ko ginagamit yung ganun. Sabihin na natin, pwedeng time out muna ako sa pag-ibig na yan. Kasi meron din akong priorities sa sarili ko, kung ano man yan. Pero again, I'm not closing doors. My heart is always very open kasi I'm very, very young and there are a lot of things that I can do, be it alone or with someone. Who knows, diba? Pero never akong nanggamit ng ibang tao to move on from my ex. Because that's in the past. Thank you, Kim.
Okay. Honey, what's your question? Your question could be for Chantel or Thea.
I have a question for Chantal. I know you sort of explained this to me already. Nung nasa camp tayo, I know lagi kayo nag-asar sa akin na Chantal actually like is sort of like is crushing on Andre and then like she's like crushing on this guy and no crushing on that guy. Kahit nung nag-crossover ako, a lot of people were telling me that Chantal and Mark are now a thing as well. Like I almost hear things about like people like people trying to mix and match you up with like other guys. But like I wanted to know how that made you feel. Now like did it ever like irritate you or did it ever annoy you or were you actually like into the whole thing? Like how to make you feel?
Well, actually, it did not irritate me. Kasi it's like, it always happens inside the camp or whatever we do. Kasi we get partners and whatsoever. Pero yung point na yun kasi, lalo na nung dumating si Mark, di ba, you went out. Punta ka sa bahay ni Kuya. Then when Mark came in, sabi ko parang, siguro there's possibility that they're changing my mind or it would help me in some ways. So, but then sabi ko sa sarili ko na, hindi naman makakatulong yung ganito kasi biglang nag-change yung mind ko doon na what's the next thing that I need to do? It's the like crossover. So, it did not bother me at all yung mga ganong bagay kasi it's part of it. It depends sa akin if I like to really get into it, those kinds of things. Pero yun nga sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na I changed it and then like just focus on what you're really here for. So it did not irritate me, did not change or got me interested with any of those.
Okay.
Thank you.
Girls, it's your turn to ask questions.
Kim, do you believe that a girl can tame your demons? Like you're like the bad side of you. Do you believe that someone or a girl can tame that? Or can change you or something?
Yes. Actually, it's happening now. Kasi, okay, sige, aminin ko. My personality is strong, pero pagdating sa'yo, I go soft. So, parang kumakalma ako and then, yun, mas nakikinig ako sa'yo. Ang init. Ba't parang ang init? So, init. So, yun. Now I believe na ganun. Kasi, yun nga, way back sa camp and sa bahay ni Kuya. And then, you're the only person talaga na kung saan lumalambot ako. And, yun, napapansin ko din. So, yes.
Mami, man.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you,
Chantal?
thank you, thank you.
Question for Honey. A lot of things, we're already outside and we've been seeing things like online and everything about between you and then the girlfriend. My question is, what is the really, ano talaga yung truth na nasa sayo ngayon?
Yung truth yung nasa sa akin right now is that I just want to really clear things up, that hindi yung dahilan na PBB, hindi yung dahilan na why me and my girlfriend are having problems right now, and you are not the problem why me and my girlfriend are having problems right now. To make this really clear, bago ako pumasok sa camp or sa bahay ni Kuya, me and my girlfriends were not very on good terms because syempre she used to have that feeling in the back of her head na things would not be the same ever after. So after being evicted and knowing how much support and how much love and how much just help she's been putting up for me throughout my entire journey, it made me realize that it's so I appreciated her a lot, pero yun na nga, just the tides sort of just went in a different direction. Things sort of changed a little bit. I'd like to keep it private sana, pero it's really between me and her. We'd like to work things out, but it's best, I think talaga, na we do need some time apart. It's for the best talaga. To have time for ourselves, to focus on ourselves. And again, I just want people to know clearly na you're not the reason me and my girlfriends are having problems, and PBB is not the reason as well. It's something between me and her, really.
Okay. Meron pa ba kayong mga tanong para sa isa't isa?
Ako, kay Thea.
Okay.
So, nasabi mo sa akin always na takot ka. So, now, masasabi mo pa rin ba na takot ka sa mga bagay-bagay? Takot ka, lalo na sa relationship, because you always think kung anong mangyayari sa future and not minding the present. And the past still haunts you. So,
Dati takot ako sa mga bagay-bagay, ngayon hindi na. Pero when it comes to love kasi, I'm very careful kasi I've been hurt a lot of times by the wrong people. At ayokong mangyari ulit yun. So very careful ako. Takot ako for the future, pero inaalala ko yun ngayon na sa mga pangyayari, sa mga ganap-ganap sa buhay ko na yung importante talaga yung present. So regardless of everything, past, future, whatever, yung present talaga. Kaya sabi ko na I'm very careful, ayoko muna, pero I'm not closing my doors. Paulit-ulit ako sa ganun. I'm not closing my doors on anyone. Kaya, siguro it's safe to say that I'm not scared anymore. But, yun nga.
what's the but?
I'm just careful. Kasi, I don't wanna be hurt. I'm taking care of my heart properly.
Thank you.
Okay. Meron pa bang gustong magtanong?
Nung Valentine's, that part, I know it's just yun na naman. Pero, bakit mo naisipan na i-squeeze out sa akin those 3 words? I was telling myself na, no, I need to change what I need to say. It has to be diba? So I changed it, but then you wanted to squeeze it out. So why?
I think it's just part of my personality. I'm a very, very eager person. I strive for knowledge, and I want to know a lot of things. I want to be just knowledgeable, and just know how people feel. I think that's sort of my personality. And when I did hear it slipped, the whole love thing, I was it sort of lit a spark in me. It opened up something that I didn't know I had inside of me, a feeling as well. I know, it's way too early to say any of that stuff, but it happened. Yeah, it's sort of, it's not, I don't want to say that it felt right at that time, but just the setting that we were in, and then the place we were in, and the fact that we were together supposedly on a date, it felt right, even though it was not at all. And somewhere deep down, I guess, yeah, you could call it the truth.
Okay. Anyone else?
For Kim.
Okay.
Ano po, di ba, yung pagiging friends natin, pagiging close natin, pagkakamabutihan natin, nagsimula siya sa parang end part na nung journey natin as housemates, di ba? Tapos, nako-continue natin siya sa outside kasi yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na we'll wait sa outside world what will happen kasi we have future plans together, kasi we like the same things. But, what if yung mga ganito, di ba? Mga kaganapang ganito. Anong mafe-feel mo if ever I'd get to be paired up with someone else? Ganon na parang hindi ko alam gano'n kasi kalala yung feelings or anything. Pero if ever,
Honestly, masasaktan ako, of course, because I like you so much. So, yeah. Siguro, ganun na. But I have to accept things since na ganun yung mangyayari. Hindi ko naman mapipilit yung banon. Minsan, may mga bagay na, minsan magiging mali lang yung mga bagay pag hindi mo to pinanindigan. Tsaka may mga tama na magiging mali pag hindi mo pinanindigan yung tama. Yung mali din, pag pinanindigan mo yung mali, magiging tama yun. So, yun.
Okay.
okay. Thank you for that wonderful answer.